Guangzhou Haizhu Liuan Garment Accessories Factory is a specialized manufacturer and wholesaler of garment accessories, including false collars, shorts, epaulets, cuffs and more, located in Haizhu District, Guangzhou. We have always adhered to the service philosophy of integrity in business. Quality first and customer foremost. We are committed to providing high quality and competitively priced products for garment companies, apparel manufacturers, fashion designers, and individual entrepreneurs. We offer an extensive product line to meet customers' one-stop sourcing needs, saving time and costs, competitive pricing. As a self-producing and self-selling factory, we maintain ample supply and affordable prices, reliable product quality. We implement strict quality control measures, ensuring all products undergo rigorous. Our experienced and customer-focused team provides